Good morning, y'all. What is up? It is your girl Ashley, and we are starting a vloggy vlog today. I thought, you know what, I'm gonna do the daily vlog thing, so why not just pick up the camera and start to vlog? So that is what we are doing today. First things first, do not mind my hair. I did not set my wig on my head good. It is 7:30 in the morning and I just finished my workout, and I literally just put my wig on to do my workout. I didn't fix it or anything, but we're gonna get cute later. It's too early to be cute right now. So yeah, it's about 7:30 and I'm about to start work, and I'm like, let me just get the vlog up and running and see how this daily vlog thing goes. So y'all bear with me. I don't know how long this daily vlog thing is gonna last, but we're gonna try to get some footage and do a little daily vlog, you know, try to get a little, you know, we're gonna try. So yeah, I am about to start work. I woke up, I did my workout. I am restarting my workout journey today. You guys, this whole corona COVID thing has really messed up me and my diet. I started off the year so good, so good. I had lost 27 pounds at my most at the beginning of the year, and then the quarantine thing started and I just started eating like crazy just because I was stuck in the house. And there was a point in time where I felt very trapped. There was a point in time where I just felt like really uneasy with everything that was going on because it was spreading like crazy. The numbers were going up. Like, I was obsessed with the news at one point. So my whole diet thing just got real messed up. So I've gained all that weight right back, and I'm not happy about it, so we got to get back on track. So I'm restarting today. I've been trying to restart since the beginning of July, and I've just been struggling to get my nutrition right, but I'm making a conscious effort today to get my stuff together and, you know, get the diet thing done. So I woke up this morning at 6 and I did my little workout, did my little cardio and my little weight training, and I'm feeling great. I'm so happy that I got up and worked out today. So hopefully I can continue on this track for the rest of the week, so we can have a week completed, you know. So yeah, I'm also trying to do intermittent fasting, so I'm not going to be eating anything until about 11 12 or so. So we'll see how long I last. I'm gonna really try not to eat anything. So yeah, that is what I'm doing. This is the little intro for the vloggy vlog. I start work at this point in time, so I'm gonna go and get my stuff started. Oops, go and get my stuff started so I can start work. Okay, so we are back and Shania is awake. Say good morning. Good morning. And I took my wig off because I'm finally setting my hair. I am setting my edges so I can put my wig back on. So don't worry, I'm coming. I'm gonna be cute soon. Okay, so I'm finally looking a little decent now. I have my wig on and I think it looks okay. I actually want to go in and kind of like fix up this wig a little bit. I got this new curling wand from Amazon that I really want to try it on this hair to see if I can bring back some of the waves and stuff. This is synthetic hair, and so it's not like I can like wet it and make it come more defined or anything like that. Synthetic hair. So I'm gonna try to go in with my curling wand later on today to see if I can make it look, you know, a little bit cute or whatever. But anyways, I have started some breakfast for Shania. She said she wanted some eggs, so I just have 3 eggs boiling here, giving her some boiled eggs. I still have about an hour and a half left until it's time for me to eat. It's only about 10:15 right now, and I don't plan to eat something until about 11:30 12 o'clock, or when I take my lunch. I'm gonna prep my food from about 11:40 or so that by time when I take my lunch at 12:15 my food is ready and I can eat. And then probably on my lunch break I'm probably gonna try to use the curling wand as well. And then we have Shania here doing her schoolwork, which she does not want to do. Huh?
I said nothing.
You don't want to do it?
No, it's just too much squares.
So she has this little chart thing here, and she pretty much has to write a number 1 in each of them. This is just to help her practice her ones and her printing, but she said it's too many squares to write the ones in, and she is not happy about it, but she got to do the work. You got to do the work. That's how you're going to be smart. So when you go back to school for senior kindergarten, you already know all of your numbers and you know all of your letters, right?
Yes, but I still can't count to 100.
So that's how you learn, and nobody's asking you to count to 100. You just need to write the number 1 in the squares.
Yes, but I want to learn how to count to 100.
Okay, so when you're done that, you can practice to count to 100.
Yes, but it will take a long day.
It's not going to take a long time. You're just wasting time by not doing it. You could have started and been halfway done already. Don't you think so? Yeah, you could have been halfway done, but instead you're complaining. So can you please get the writing done? Thank you. So for all of my moms out there, y'all already know it's been difficult having the kids at home. They don't want to be doing their schoolwork. And I mean, I'm not upset about it. Like, I know, like, doing work is not fun, especially when you're used to playing all the time and doing play-based learning. But she gonna do her schoolwork. She gonna get it done, okay? So we'll probably sit here for a few hours and go back and forth until this gets done. But anyways, that's just how it is for right now. What's up, you guys? So it is much later now. It is about 5:15 at this point, so I only have about an hour left of work, but I decided that I was gonna go ahead and get dinner started, just so by time I finish work at 6:15 dinner is ready or almost ready. So I'm gonna go ahead and get dinner prepared right now. For dinner, I'm gonna be doing the jerk chicken, potatoes, and corn. I won't be having any of the potatoes, sadly, although I really want some of the potatoes because I love potatoes, but I'm trying to cut down on my carbs. So I'm only gonna have the chicken and the corn, but I'm gonna do potatoes so that Jermaine and I can have some of that. So we are gonna get dinner started right now. Okay, so I'm gonna start off by prepping my potatoes. So I have my potatoes here. These are just some regular pack of potatoes that I got from my local grocery store. So I'm gonna take out maybe like 4 or 5 because I'm not having any. So maybe I'll just take out 4. How much do I have left? Okay, maybe I'll do a little one as well. So I have 4 potatoes, and I'm just gonna put this back, and I'm just gonna wash them off real quick. So now I have my potatoes here, washed and ready to go. And then I'm gonna use this container to prep them after. And I'm gonna get my little cutting board, and first thing I'm gonna do is I'm going to peel the potatoes. I have my little potato peeler thing here. So first we're going to peel these potatoes. I am also going to preheat the oven from now so that it can get warm. In the meantime, I'm gonna preheat my oven to 400. Okay, so now we're gonna just peel these. Okay, so now that all of my potatoes are nice and washed and peeled, I'm gonna start to just cut up the potatoes. I don't have any specific style to cut it. I just like to dice them up into small enough pieces. So I just cut them into small pieces. And then I'm just gonna put them in my bowl. And then I'm gonna season them in this green bowl that I have here. So here are my cut up potatoes, and now we're going to, oven is done preheating. So now I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit of oil to this. I'm just using some oil. We reuse our oil depending on what we've cooked, so I just have some previously used oil here that I'm just gonna, kind of swirl around the potatoes like that. Not too much, just a little bit. And then I'm going to now season my potatoes. So I'm going to use a little bit of all-purpose seasoning. I'm going to use some paprika. I'm going to use some Tex-Mex. And I'm going to use some black pepper. So I have my seasonings here. So I'm just going to put some black pepper. I'm going to put a little bit of all-purpose seasoning. A little bit of paprika. And a very small amount of Tex-Mex. And now everything is in here, and I'm just gonna shake this bowl up a little bit to kind of coat all of the pieces of potato. What are you doing?
see. I want to be.
Why are you wearing your helmet inside?
Because I want to.
I want
I want to see, but I want to be go for a walk.
Okay, but we're not going for a walk right now. So now I'm just gonna put my potatoes in this baking pan and I'm gonna line it with some parchment paper. So I have a sheet of parchment paper here and I'm just gonna line this container or this baking sheet with it. And then I'm just gonna throw my potatoes in and we're gonna pop this into the oven. Okay, so next up we're gonna do our chicken, and the chicken came pre-seasoned, so this makes prep really, really easy for me. I'm pretty much going to line another baking pan or whatever you call these. I'm gonna line this one with foil and then I'm just gonna place the chickens on top of it. I'm gonna open the packaging. And I'm just gonna place the chickens directly on the foil. So this is what the chicken is looking like, and then we're just gonna pop this in the oven as well. Okay, so I put the chicken and the potatoes in the oven first because those are gonna take the longest. So I'm gonna set a timer for about 25 minutes. So I set the timer for 25 minutes. After 25 minutes, I'll go in and look at the chicken and probably flip them if they need to be flipped. But in the meantime, I'm gonna clean up what I have so far in the kitchen and then we're gonna move on to prepping the corn. Yo, these corns have so much of those little hair things. I don't usually buy corn from the place I bought this corn from, but I don't think I'm gonna buy it again because there's just so much of the little hair thingy, and I'm here trying to get every single last one of them off, and it's just like impossible. So that's annoying. I don't usually have to take off so many of them, but anywho. Then I'm gonna take some butter flavored cooking spray and I'm just gonna spray the foil a little bit. Then I'm going to place the corns right in the middle, and then I'm gonna get some butter and all-purpose seasoning, and I'm gonna coat my corns in butter, and then I'm going to put some of the all-purpose seasoning on top. So I just take a scoop of butter in my spoon and I just rub it against the corn. Then I'm gonna take some all-purpose seasoning and I'm just gonna sprinkle all over the corn. So we're just gonna lightly sprinkle all over. And then we're gonna rotate the corns on the other side. Can y'all hear them? What are they doing? Can y'all hear Shania? She's like screaming. Her and Jermaine are like playing or something. So then I'm just gonna wrap up the corn in the foil now and close it up. Close it up in a nice little package like so. Everything should be closed up. And then I'm just gonna put it in this little cake pan. I'm gonna pop this in the oven as well. Okay, so the timer just went off for the chicken, so I took them out and I'm going to flip them, and then as I flip them I'm also going to be adding some of this barbecue jerk sauce to it as well. So I'm just going to get my little silicone basting brush thing, and I'm going to get a little container to put some of this jerk sauce in so I can apply it.
I don't want the spicy potato.
It's not spicy.
The one that last time when we ate the one that takes.
It's not gonna be spicy this time.
I hope it.
So I'm just going to turn these over. So I'm gonna flip these.
I love it.
The chicken smells really good. I'm quite impressed with how it smells, considering this was like pre-seasoned. Like I bought these just as is. pretty impressed. I'm just gonna go in with this brush and just put some of the sauce on it. So I've turned these over and I've added some of the barbecue sauce to it. So I'm gonna pop these back in the oven, and I put the timer back on for 20 more minutes because by the time these are finished, or by the time the timer is done, the food should be pretty much done. So I'll be able to go back and assess everything. The potatoes should be practically done, and the corn will be pretty much done by that time as well. So I'm just gonna wait for those to be ready. And yeah, and at this point in time, I'm officially done work as well. So your girl is off the clock, which is great. So I can just relax for the rest of the evening and kind of just, you know, prep some stuff for tomorrow in terms of my workout and what I'm gonna do, and plan out some content ideas because I am off on Wednesday. So I do want to make sure that I'm getting some content planned out so that I can film on Wednesdays. So yeah. So here are the potatoes. Here is the chicken. I did taste a piece of it, and you guys, it actually tastes really good. Like, I'm very, very impressed with this store's pre-made or pre-seasoned jerk chicken. It's actually like bomb. Like, it's really, really good. And then I have the corn in here. I'm gonna, oh, it's dripping. I got the corn in there. I'll open that up later. But anyways, I'm going to share out Shania's food and get her ready, and share out Jermaine's food and my food and eat because I'm hungry. And yeah, okay, so here is my food. I have my corn, and I'm doing 3 pieces of the chicken legs or the drumsticks. And y'all, I'm honestly so sad because I tasted one of the potatoes just to make sure it was cooked and everything. I can't give nobody uncooked potatoes. So I tasted one of them, and it tastes so, the potatoes taste so good, and I'm actually so sad that I'm not having any. But willpower is what's gonna work for me, and if I want to see certain goals or certain changes in my body, I do have to change the way that I eat. But I love potatoes, you guys. I love potatoes. So anyways, I'm kind of sad that I can't have any, but I'm gonna enjoy my little corn and my chicken here. And while I sit here and eat, I'm watching Aaliyah's face. I love Aaliyah's face here on YouTube. If you guys are not subscribed to her, make sure you guys go subscribe. She's just a real down-to-earth girl. Like, I love her. Okay, so make sure you guys go subscribe to her channel if you haven't already. But yeah, I'm just watching her vlog. Her vlogs are an hour long. Love it. It's the perfect thing to watch when you're eating or when you're like doing something that takes time. So I'm sitting here at the table eating and watching her, and I will tune in back with you guys later on. All right, you guys, so I'm going to end the vlog off here. I finished eating and we played some Uno, and now we're gonna go on a little family walk outside, a little evening stroll. So yeah, once we come back, it's gonna be shower and bedtime. So yeah, I think I made it through the day with vlogging. I vlogged my life today, which it wasn't too bad. I think I could maybe do this again tomorrow. I think I can do this. I think I can do this daily vlog thing. So let me know if you guys enjoyed this video. Comment below and let me know if you guys enjoyed, and be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe to the channel for more vlogs. And yes, I'll see you guys in my next video.